welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today I am starting my makeup hacks series. So I hope you enjoy this series, and if you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below and don't forget to subscribe and change the notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Okay, so first hack is how to clean your palettes. So all you need is a baby wipe or a makeup wipe, some sort of damp cloth, and something with a flat edge. So you just wrap it in the baby wipe and you grip tight on the back so it's nice and tight, and then you just rub it all over your palette and it will remove all of the fallout without getting any of the eyeshadow into other colours. I'm just doing another one here just so you can see exactly how to clean them. And that's it. They all look brand new now, like so I've just brought them. So today's second hack is how to get rid of dark circles under your eyes. So the red lipstick actually covers the darkness under your eyes. So if you just put a little bit under your eyes, then rub it in, and then you put your makeup over top like normal, and it will actually blank out the black circles. So I'm just doing a comparison here, one side with the lipstick and one side without. Makeup fact. In 1770, the British Parliament banned lipstick, saying it had the power to seduce men into marriage, which was classified as witchcraft. Thank God today it's not banned. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!